The festive season is upon us. It's a time for family, celebration, and of course, beautiful decorations. While we often associate Christmas with twinkling lights and sparkling ornaments, there's a magical way to bring the festive spirit right to your garden. Imagine stepping outside to a winter wonderland, adorned with nature's own decorations. This Christmas, let's transform our gardens into festive havens. We can achieve this by incorporating elements that reflect the joy and wonder of the season. Think vibrant colors, natural fragrances, and festive crafts, all handcrafted with love and care. The best part? Creating a festive garden wonderland is easier than you might think. With a few simple gardening hacks and a dash of creativity, you can easily grow and craft your own Christmas decorations. Let's embark on this journey together, turning our gardens into a testament to the season's magic. One of the simplest ways to infuse your garden with Christmas spirit is by incorporating festive foliage. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a burst of holiday colors and scents that instantly lift your spirits. Think vibrant reds, deep greens, and snowy whites, all effortlessly provided by nature itself. These colors not only brighten up your garden, but also evoke the warmth and joy of the holiday season. But it's not just about aesthetics. Many of these plants carry symbolic meanings that resonate deeply with the Christmas spirit. For instance, the poinsettia, with its star-shaped leaf pattern, is said to symbolize the Star of Bethlehem. For a touch of classic Christmas red, consider planting winterberry. This plant is not only visually striking, but also attracts birds, adding life and movement to your winter garden. This deciduous holly loses its leaves in winter, revealing a cascade of bright red berries that scream Christmas cheer. Imagine these berries glistening under a layer of fresh snow, creating a picturesque holiday scene. And who could forget the iconic holly? This plant has been a symbol of Christmas for centuries, often used in wreaths and garlands. Its prickly leaves and bright red berries symbolize protection and good luck, making it a staple in Christmas decorations for centuries. Holly is also believed to ward off evil spirits, adding an extra layer of meaning to your festive decor. If you prefer a more subtle approach, consider the elegance of conifers. These trees are not only beautiful, but also incredibly versatile, fitting into any garden style. Their evergreen needles provide year-round structure and a beautiful backdrop for your festive decorations. You can even hang ornaments on them to create a natural Christmas tree right in your garden. Pine, spruce, and fir trees all exude a wonderful Christmas aroma, transporting you to a winter wonderland with every breath. These trees are perfect for creating a cozy, festive atmosphere that lingers long after the holidays are over. Remember, a little greenery goes a long way in creating a festive atmosphere. Whether you choose to go all out or keep it simple, incorporating these plants into your garden will ensure that your outdoor space is brimming with Christmas cheer. So get planting and let nature help you celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. Now that we've discussed adding festive foliage to your garden, it's time to dive into the enchanting world of DIY garden decor for the holiday season. Let's explore the magic of crafting your own Christmas decorations using garden finds. This not only brings a unique charm to your decor, but also allows you to connect with nature in a meaningful way. Crafting together is a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your holiday decor while spending quality time with loved ones. It's an activity that brings joy and fosters creativity among family members. One of the easiest and most rewarding DIY projects is creating a natural Christmas wreath. This project is perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Simply gather evergreen branches, pine cones, and berries from your garden. These materials are not only abundant, but also add a rustic and authentic feel to your wreath. Using a wire wreath form as a base, attach your foraged finds using floral wire. This process is simple and allows you to create a sturdy and beautiful wreath that will last throughout the season. You can add extra flair with dried citrus slices, cinnamon sticks, or even small ornaments. These additional elements bring color, texture, and a delightful fragrance to your wreath. Another fun project is making festive ornaments from dried fruits and spices. This is a great way to use up any extra fruit you have and create something beautiful and aromatic. Simply slice oranges, lemons, and apples thinly and bake them in a low oven until they're dry and firm. This process not only preserves the fruit, but also intensifies their natural colors and scents. Then, thread them with twine or ribbon to create fragrant and beautiful ornaments for your Christmas tree. These ornaments add a touch of nature and a burst of color to your holiday decor. Remember, the key is to let your creativity guide you. There are no strict rules when it comes to crafting, so feel free to experiment with different materials and designs. There are endless possibilities when it comes to crafting with nature's bounty. From wreaths to ornaments, the only limit is your imagination. So, gather your family, put on some festive music, and let the crafting begin. This holiday season, make your garden a source of inspiration and joy with these delightful DIY projects. Section 4. From Garden to Table. Festive recipes with a herbal twist. Christmas is a time for feasting and indulging in delicious food. The holiday season brings families and friends together, creating memories over shared meals and festive treats. But did you know that your garden can be a source of culinary inspiration for your holiday meals? Even in the winter, many herbs thrive and can be harvested to add a fresh, vibrant touch to your dishes. Many herbs and plants commonly found in gardens can add unique flavors and festive aromas to your Christmas recipes. Imagine the delight of your guests when they taste the subtle yet distinct notes of fresh herbs in their favorite holiday dishes. Rosemary, with its distinct pine-like aroma, is a natural pairing for roasted meats and vegetables. This herb not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a beautiful aromatic touch to your presentation. Simply add a few sprigs to your roasting pan to infuse your dishes with a warm, savory flavor. Whether you're roasting a turkey, chicken, or a medley of root vegetables, rosemary can elevate the taste to a whole new level. Sage is another excellent herb to incorporate into your Christmas cooking. Its robust, earthy flavor can transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Its earthy flavor pairs well with poultry, stuffing, and even sweet treats like pumpkin pie. Imagine a sage-infused stuffing that complements your holiday turkey perfectly, or a hint of sage in your pumpkin pie that surprises and delights your guests. For a festive twist on your holiday beverages, consider making a homemade rosemary-infused simple syrup. This syrup can be a versatile addition to your holiday bar, adding a unique flavor to both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Simply simmer equal parts water, sugar, and fresh rosemary sprigs until the sugar dissolves. The process is simple, yet the result is a fragrant, flavorful syrup that can be used in a variety of ways. Strain the syrup and use it to sweeten your cocktails, mocktails, or even a simple cup of tea. This rosemary syrup can also be drizzled over desserts or used to add a festive touch to your morning coffee. The possibilities are endless, and your guests will surely appreciate the herbal twist in their holiday drinks. Section 5. Troubleshooting your festive garden. As with any gardening endeavor, there might be a few bumps along the way when creating your festive garden wonderland. But fear not, every challenge has a solution, and a little troubleshooting can go a long way in ensuring your garden thrives throughout the holiday season. One common issue during winter is frost damage. To protect delicate plants, consider covering them with horticultural fleece or burlap sacks during particularly cold nights. Another concern is pests nibbling on your festive foliage. To deter unwanted visitors, sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your plants. This natural powder is harmless to humans and pets, but dehydrates and deters insects. Remember, observation is key. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of distress, such as wilting leaves, discoloration, or pest damage. Early detection allows you to address issues promptly and prevent further damage. Section 6. 'Tis the season for gardening trivia. Now that we've covered some practical tips, let's add a sprinkle of fun with some Christmas gardening trivia. Did you know that mistletoe, a popular Christmas decoration, is actually a parasitic plant? It attaches itself to trees and draws nutrients from its host. Here's another fun fact. Poinsettias, those vibrant red plants we associate with Christmas, aren't actually flowers. Those colorful bracts are modified leaves that surround the plant's small yellow flowers. Can you guess which country is credited with starting the tradition of decorating Christmas trees? If you guessed Germany, you're absolutely right. This beloved tradition dates back to the 16th century and has since spread throughout the world.